Okay, so I'm Rose. Welcome to my channel. And as you saw in the title, I will be using a camera for the very first time ever. Not ever, but it's been a while. Like it's been so freaking long since I've used an actual camera. Like camera, like Canon photography camera. So pretty much I'm an art student and one of my classes is photography. And my final assignment, I was asked to use an actual camera. I don't own a camera, but the school has, like, the university has cameras that you can like rent for 3 days. I lucked out and actually was able to finally get one. I've been trying all term, and every time I go in there, they never have any available because one of the other photography professors keeps reserving them for her class. So I was finally able to get one, and lucky for me, I got it on a Thursday, which means I actually get it until Monday. Today's Friday. So yeah, I wasn't going to film or anything. Like, I wasn't going to show this at all. But then I realized I don't even know how to turn the camera on. So, you know, memories. Yeah, I think I figured out how to turn it on. It says on and off right there. But it's not turning on, and I was so confused. And then I was like, oh wait, maybe it needs a memory card, which this actually took me a couple of minutes to figure out too. But I did get a card a while ago. I just haven't actually used it yet. So I get to open it and use it for the first time ever. And this should be interesting because I get to go for walks in the rain because it's supposed to rain all week. And I am doing my project over the course of like 3 days. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I will be going out for walks first thing in the morning so I can get pictures of garbage in Ottawa. Oh my god. Won't open. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's open. What direction does this go in? Okay, wait, it goes this way. I'm very happy they have like pictures because I would not know otherwise. I took the thing off, so that's gone. So that like mistake that's apparently very common it's gone. Just how do I turn it on? Does it not have a battery? Wait. There's no battery. Oh my god. Hold on. Battery. I was wondering why there was a battery inside the bag that it came with. Okay. So, I'm hoping this is the right direction. It's like the only shape. So now, my camera's on. I swear I'm not faking this. This is just me. Wait. Sensor cleaning. Sensor cleaning. Oh shit. Okay, it's on. I'm so proud. Okay. Why is it so blurry? ISO. Wait. Not selectable. but single shooting. AF? Live mode, quick mode, flexi, I don't know. How do I make it not blurry? Holy shit. What did I just do? I have no idea what I'm doing right now. It turned off, and I don't know why. I don't know. I'm assuming Google. Yeah. I don't even know if you can hear me right now with the cars, but my battery just died. So it looks like I have a nice, relaxing, like 40-minute walk back home. And I guess I'll be using my phone again. Fun. My face is so cold. That was so freaking painful. Oh my god. I got some photos. I was probably, oh my god. I don't even know. Today was my last day with the camera, so I just went and did what pictures I could, and then I brought it back to the university. My feet are so freaking sore. Literally just like the heels, like here. Oh my god. I need to get like insert thingies in my boots because my heels feel like they've been rubbed raw. It's 10:38. I'm going to go get changed into comfy clothes because I'm not leaving the apartment again today at all.